Today we'll be doing a quick video to show you how to make my spicy Sriracha bacon sauce that I use with my grilled scallops recipe that I just posted. These are the main ingredients that we're going to use. Actually, I'm going to show you some alternatives. So we're not going to use all of these, but I just wanted to show you some creative things that you can do. First off, I want to give a big shout out to Dada Man who requested this video. He just wanted a little step-by-step help on how to make the sauce. First thing I want to talk about is the bacon. I like to use thick gut bacon, and my preference now is to use all natural, no preservatives, no hormones, all that kind of stuff. It's much better for your body. So whenever I can, this is what I'm going to be using, the natural bacon. So let's review a little bit what I have here on my counter. I have some Sriracha sauce, some mayo, and also Sriracha mayo, sweet chili sauce, hot chili sauce, and some other hot chili sauce, and oyster sauce in addition to the bacon. The first thing I'm doing is heating up my pan on a medium-high heat. And I think it's hot enough right now. So I'm just going to add my bacon to the pan. I like this pan because it's great for fitting long strips of bacon. It's actually a fish pan that my sister-in-law got me a long time ago, and I use it all the time. It's so great. And our bacon has already started sizzling. Love to hear that sound. And all those wonderful aromas of bacon cooking in a skillet. As you cook the bacon on a medium to medium-high heat, the fat starts to render. And actually, when you watch the grilled scallop video that I did, you'll see that I used the bacon fat that rendered to grill the scallops in. So it added a really nice flavor to the scallops. So it's been 2 minutes now. That time is going off. Now I'm just going to flip my bacon. Look at that. Look at that beautiful brown color. And I'm just going to do it 1 more minute on the other side, and then I'll check it. I'm lowering my heat to medium because this heat is going pretty swift right now. Another minute has gone, so let's check this. And what I'm going to do now is just give my bacon a little shake and put it on a paper towel so that all that excess fat is going to get absorbed into the paper towel. Now I'm just going to set the bacon aside for a couple minutes while I whip up that sauce. It's so easy. You're going to love this. Here I have mayonnaise, some Sriracha sauce, some oyster sauce, and some hot chili sauce. So now I'm just going to mix all of these together. I'm going to blend them really well. I wanted to add some more Sriracha sauce. I think I wanted to get it to a little brighter consistency. Time to give this a quick taste. That's really nice. Perfect blend of flavors. So in terms of the quantities, I used about a half cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of hot chili sauce. Perfect blend. And now I'm going to add my crumbled bacon to the sauce. Our final stir Getting that nice bacon flavor into the sauce. Now bacon is an optional ingredient, just to let you know. If you don't want to have any meat or meat products or anything like that, then you don't have to add the bacon. And like, I just tasted it before I added the bacon and it was perfect, just wonderful. One thing I wanted to mention is how versatile this sauce is, because I used it with my grilled scallops recipe, but it's also great as a dipping sauce, and also if you wanted to use it like a coleslaw dressing or salad dressing, it is really delicious. Here's my grilled scallops recipe that I just posted, and I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. Okay, Dada Man, hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to say thank you so much for always supporting my channel and giving me great feedback. I really appreciate it.